For over a century, one shape has defined what it means to work, to haul, to climb, to arrive. But every few decades, that shape has to be broken. This is one of those moments. Say hello to the next generation Sierra 1500. A bold new design, inside and out. At the top of the lineup, two very different philosophies of power. The Denali Ultimate, the highest expression of premium GMC technology. The AT4X, off-road domination with signature GMC refinement. And underneath both, an entirely new generation of 6th-gen small-block V8 engines. This is the most advanced, the most luxurious, the most powerful Sierra 1500 ever built. Lifted hood, vertical grille, signature lighting front and back. GMC isn't updating a truck, it's redefining its physical presence. On the AT4X, 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires. Straight from the factory, a first for any Sierra 1500. And underneath, doing the real work, Multimatic jounce-control dampers. Suspension technology built for terrain that ends most trucks. Step into the Denali Ultimate, and the first thing that hits you isn't the engine, it's the light. Over 60 inches of combined display, the most in its class. A 16-speaker Bose audio system with headrest speakers found nowhere else in the segment. And an all-new multi-pro center console. Expanded, reorganized, built for a life that doesn't slow down. But the real transformation is what's underneath all of it. To understand what's really new here, we went to the source. More displacement, more power, more torque, and more fun behind the wheel. Two engines, a 5.7-liter and a 6.6-liter, both reimagined from the ground up. Virtual engineering tools married to real-world physical testing. The 5.7, built as the ultimate workhorse, refined, confident, built for towing and hauling without compromise. The 6.6, tuned for something different entirely. High performance, aggressive sound, rapid acceleration, built for the customer who wants more. This isn't just an update, it's decades of small block heritage funneled through the most advanced engineering validation program GM has ever run. And this is where the story splits. On Denali Ultimate, precision, craftsmanship, the most premium interior GMC has ever created. On AT4X, purpose, materials built to perform in conditions that would ruin anything else. An exclusive Timber Mahogany interior, reinforced bolstering, a standard panoramic sunroof, different language, same standard, same 60-plus inches of display, same multi-pro tailgate, same relentless attention to detail. Just two different answers to the same question. How far can a truck go? Hands-free driving, 600,000 miles of compatible roads, even while towing, a feature no competitor in its class can match. New cockpit, new console, new 6th-generation V8s. GMC didn't just raise the bar on what a professional-grade truck can be. They built the truck that becomes the bar. The next generation Sierra 1500. Arrive anywhere, exactly as you are.